Hi guys, Bitcoin just reached 68K and is now almost at its all-time high. And today, I will show you guys how to buy Bitcoin using one of the regulated exchange in Malaysia, which is Luno app. So Luno is one of the most frequent used apps in Malaysia. And everybody prefer it because it can do wire transfer. And why the hell would I want to buy Bitcoin when the price is so high? That's because I know the Bitcoin cycle and how it works. I'll make that in another video. But right now, all you have to do is smash that subscribe button and support me. And I'll show you how to buy Luno, Bitcoin, and Luno. Stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you one of the most frequent used application exchange in Malaysia. Now, if you look at Luno app, Luno really did very well in their regulation aspects. See, if you can scroll down on the website, what they want to say here is that they are all regulated. They aim first regulations, then they proceed with making sure that everything is sure, secure, and well connected. Right? If you look at this, it's safe onboarding. Right? There's no meme coins, and you can pay with ringgits, which is our currencies, and you can do wire transfer and so on. So, of course, again, do your own research, understanding your investment, find things to consider when you invest in cryptocurrency. We can go through all of this and what's Bitcoin. So if you click on the link in the description below, that's my sign up code. So we can get 25 ringgit for each of us. So please click on the link below to sign up. So I'm going to sign up right now and show you guys how it's done. So now let's press sign up and we will go through step by step on how we do it. So after you press sign up, you go through this page to create a personal account, right? We just need a personal account. And right now you just need to put in your email and then your password. I'll use a strong password. I would not want the latest news and I'm not a bot. And let's go. You'll go to your email for confirmations and then press confirm my email. And there you go. This is how you create your Luno. Then what you need to do is you need to connect your numbers and do some know your customer KYC process and so on. Private active number. Now where do you live? You put Malaysia. And then you have a security check, add your personal details, your address, your job details. Take a picture of your ID and snap a selfie. So you have to take all of this as your KYC, know your customer, and then you can have a Luno account. Since I already have a Luno account, so I can't do all of this right now. So after you go through all the process, then we can move on to the next session. So after you sign up, you come to this home page right here. So they're actually your phone mobile app or you use this Windows desktop version. I prefer using desktop version and I'll tell you why in a minute. But you can have both, right? So in this home page right here, you can see your favorite crypto. If you favorite it, you show the favorites. Right now I favorite Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? And you press all, you show you all the available coins here available in Luno that you can trade from, right? We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. They are mostly around 15 coins here. So if you like wire transfer, you can use Luno app. And if you're only trading these coins, you don't really need any other application by exchange. So right now there's layer one, and then we have DeFi and smart contracts. These are all the label of each coins. All you need to do is just have to favorite them like me here that are using Bitcoin. So how do you favorite it? All you have to do is, for example, you press Ripple and then press this star. Let's follow. And then let's go back, put favorites, and here you go. So you can add up to, you know, 10 available from the list here. So let's leave this exchange aside. I'll go through them in a moment. So this is where you can straight away buy or buy your crypto, sell crypto, or stake your crypto when I'll go through in a minute. and you can, receive a crypto from another wallet from your friends, or you send to another platform. So Luno is actually quite flexible. You can do all of this. So you can scroll down. We have some news here. It's not really that important. So for the explore, also a lot, just all the news. You can buy coins, you can stake your coins, and I'll go through how you buy crypto in a minute. And then you have your wallet. So this is my wallet. Right now, my local currency is this much, and then my total investment, right? I invested in Bitcoin, right? And then I already withdraw everything from Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. I don't even have. So Bitcoin Cash, another Bitcoin, which I recommend don't touch that shit. All right, it's not good. Just focus on Bitcoin. As Bitcoin is a store of value assets, or you can go for Ethereum or any other altcoins. Bitcoin Cash, which is called Bitcoin RV, just don't touch it. So for rewards, the link that I shared to you guys, you guys sign up to my link at the description below. You can get 25 for us both, right? And then of course your profile. So it's pretty much very straightforward. So how do you deposit money to this exchange? So let's get to that. So first thing, before you start to deposit, you must know wire transfer cannot be third-party account. Never third-party account. Alright, you must have reached your name because you already do the KYC, you already input your personal information, right? Which takes a few days for the Luno app to verify. After that, they know that your account in your name, right? They know your name. For example, my name is Vincent Loo, and then your bank account must be Vincent Loo as well. So it must be same personal bank, right? Now that you know that you cannot use any third-party account to bank, and you must have a bank to transfer, obviously. So all you have to do is press wallet, right? Press the local currency, and then press deposit. Right, simple as that. So right now I want to use FPX, right? FPX is instant, you can straight away see the money here in your app, right? So yes, press FPX. How much? This time I want to put 1000, all right, 1000 FPX. Again, this is a warning right here, right? It should show you that you can only use your personal bank account. Your name must be the same. Just don't use any other account that's not your name. All right, let's continue. I understand I wish to continue. Let's continue. We'll deposit 1000, right? Continue FPX. Then you can go through all these things, select your bank account, and so on and so forth. Merchant page. It's processing my payment. Should be instant, right? And there we go. Now we are ready to invest 1000 ringgit that I just deposited, right? Just for you guys that will do live buy crypto right now, right? Please subscribe. First, I'll press not now because I'll show you what are the differences between buying at the market or buying limit order, right? So stay tuned. So now that we deposited 1000 in our Malaysia ringgit wallet, now we'll go to buy some crypto. In this video particular, I will still buy Bitcoin, right? Even though Bitcoin right now, you can see from trading view, is very high right now, and it's the highest that it's been. You might wondering why this stupid guy want to buy it when it's high. Shouldn't you buy it at a dip? Well, right now I am using a dollar cost average method, so I don't really care the pricing. But if you know about Bitcoin cycle, right now they are just entering the bull phase, right? So I will show you guys the crypto, the Bitcoin cycle video in another video. So just stay with me here. But I believe Bitcoin will go even higher than right now, right? Right now it shows that it's at 68,857. In the future, right, we'll double this amount, go to 120, right? Future Vincent 120. All right, let's go. So now that I have 1000, right? So you might press, oh, I can just press here, buy crypto. And then now that you come up, you know how much you want to buy, which crypto you want to buy, and then you want to buy Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin was created today, but also considered a store of like value like gold, right? It was the first cryptocurrency today. It was used by hundreds of millions of people around the world. Got it? Yeah. Bye. So we will have the option of one off or buy repeat. So if you press this, right, you execute market order, which it will be at a higher, transaction fees. So you might want to avoid that, right? If you look at Luno transaction fees, right now, the method that I just showed you, right? If you buy crypto using the wallets, you have a fee up to 2%, which is crazy, right? It's crazy to charge people 2%. So you might want to avoid that, right? Yeah, never using your wallets to buy, right? You need to use limit order. So how much is limit order? Let's see. Use the exchange tier, right? This is where you use exchange to place your order instead of using, the using the wallets to buy one off like that. You want to use exchange, all right? So the fees that you use for Luno Exchange depends on how much the volume. So right now, I'm using on 1000 range, which is over here. Taker and maker's fee. So taker fee is the market order, and maker's fee is the limited, the limit price. If you can see from here, taker's fee is the market order, maker's fee is the limit order, right? So I would want to open the limit order where I open, for example, at 68,000. If the current price drops to 68,000, you execute the order for me. So that's where you have save up a lot of transactions fee here with 0.35. So if you were to use just now using wallet to buy crypto, it's 2% fees, which is crazy. All right. See here, buy or sell crypto using the wallet since. So never do that. So let's get back to Luno. I don't want to use wallet, right? Never use wallet. You go to home. After you press home, you go to the exchange. So this is exchange. So this is where you want to buy a Bitcoin from, right? It's now very complex. Let's get right into it. So Luno exchange, right? It looks very complicated now, but after you use a lot of times, it will be your home screen for trading. All right. Since we are long-time traders, as a long-time trader, we don't really open up so much. So just once per month, that will be all. So let's look at here. So beside this Luno logo, you have your Bitcoin MYR, or you can select the 15 cryptos that you can choose from. Right? There are a lot of different crypto. Right now we are looking at Bitcoin is now a Malaysian ringgit price of 300k, which is crazy, right? Crazy amount. It's crazy high right now. So if you look at trading view in USD is now at 68,900. So in the process of me making this video, it goes up to 900, right? It's crazy how fast it can grow, right? So yeah, but I believe it go higher, so it doesn't really matter how much I put. So this now in hourly chart, right? You can also use, trading view to see the price, right? Trading is just a conversion of currency, so doesn't really matters. Right now it's in, I think this one is 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes, 1 hour, right? It's an hourly chart. It depends on where you want to look. It's pretty much very similar. So you can see your left hand side here, right hand side here is the order book. So this is where people are selling at what price at Luno Exchange, right? So you can see the bar here means it's the volume of people selling, and this is the volume that people buying, right? This green bar here. So a lot of people are queuing at this particular price, right? 323543, right? They're all queuing at here. Right now it's keep on changing, it's changing very fast. And then you have noticed there's a spread here. So The downside of using regulated exchange like Luno is that they have a spread, right? The reason that has a spread because there's no much volume, right? That's why it creates a spread between the buy and sell, right? If you notice that. So what it's saying is you are actually buying at a higher price than it actually is. And then sell, you only sell at a lower price than it actually is. So there's actually a gap there where you lose some of the money, but it doesn't really matter because we're gonna hold long term and then gonna, gain a lot in returns. So Bitcoin cycle is 4 years, so we're gonna hold for, more than that. So you can use all these drawing tools, but I just like using trading view, right? Trading view can use drawing tools as well. You can draw triangles. It's now trying to break to the upside, right? Where you start off the bull phase. Right now it's still consolidating. So let's go back to Luno. So these are order books, and this is where buy and sell. Right? You can buy here, sell here. And this is where just now I said this the limit orders. The market order will charge a higher percentage of fees. Right? If you look at here, fees determine blah blah blah. Let's test it out. So if I press 100%, which is on amount 1,000 that I just deposited, it takes about 6 ringgit. I charge me about 6 ringgit. So if I put at the limit order, I need to select the price. Let's say I want to select price. So we have a strong support here at this 1 hour chart, right? So let's place with this strong support here, right? This is a demo, so I want to place let's place at 322500, right? 322500, right? The amount should be less than 100 BTC. Oh, okay. You need to switch to Malaysia ringgit. Sorry about that. You need to switch Malaysia ringgit 100. So, all right. So if you can see right here, the fee drops to about 0.35% as compared to the market one, which is 0.6. So right now it charges us around 3.5, right? So it's even better right now. As for stop limit. So what is stop limit, right? Stop limit is like you trigger the order when it touches the stop price, and then you open the limit price. So it's pretty much like 2 stages. So you have stop price and the limit price. So when the current price drop to stop price, you only open up, this limit order, right? The reason people do that is to safeguard the orders for it not to be opened up all the time. So when it reaches the stop price, reaches the stop price, only your limit order will open. And if you touch it, you execute. So the stop price and the limit price, people always, put it very close together. So this is a limit and the stop limit. So right now, let's try stop limit. Again, it's same as a 2.35. So I will want to place my stop price slightly higher than my limit price. So I would just want it to be executed immediately. So just 5 ringgit higher, right? This is how, you set up your orders. So after you set up the orders here, so I'm just gonna execute it because it won't reach 3225 any seconds. So I'm just gonna place stop limit 322505. Now the current market price is at 324. So it won't hit it. So I'm gonna buy, confirm the stop limit, confirm. Now right now I have yes. So you have an order. So right now, after you press it, you trigger an open order. Open order means that it's not executed yet. So it's now queuing, right? So my order right now would not even be inside this order book because I have a stop price, remember? So when the current price touch the stop price, only will my order, fly into this order book. Right? It will execute straight away in the order book, And when the current price drop again to the 32500 right here, you only execute the order immediately. So this is how you set up and buy crypto, right? So if you press here, your orders is my order history and what transaction that I did. And insights basically are just news for the Bitcoin, right? So this is basically how you buy crypto, right? You always need to go to the exchange page, right? Always press exchange for you to benefit with lower transaction fees as low as 0.35%. So now that you know how to buy Luno, alright, always use the exchange, right? You always use the exchange. So now let's go back to here, wallet here. So after you trigger it, the money from your local currency will go to your Bitcoin right here, right? So I deposited 1,000. If the order were to execute it, this 1,000 will move itself to the Bitcoin. All right, let's go back to my exchange right now. Home, press exchange. So pop out this exchange again. So right now my orders is at 32500. So it's right over here. So right now I draw a line and the support here 32500, right? So if I were to make another line for my stop order, right? So my stop order is at 325 505, which is very close to each other, right? Very close. So what it means is you immediately execute the order when it reaches this price right here, 32505. They will place my order into the order book with 322500. So your orders will not be here, right? You immediately executed it. So this is pretty much how you buy crypto, right? So I'll wait for the price to drop to 32500. So I'll keep you guys updated if I manage to buy this Bitcoin at this ridiculous high price, right? The the only downside with Luno is that you do know what the USD in terms of USD, this Malaysian ringgit is. So what I always do is I make a currency exchange. I just randomly open up an exchange, the currency conversion. So 32500 is at 68k, about 68k, 64, 640, right? So let's go to the day chart. So my price is at 68, 68,064. There you go, right? Price gap's not that much, right? I believe you hit it because there's a lot of supports right here. I think you'll most definitely hit the price that I placed the order for, right? So my order here is open good till cancel, right? So it will always be open until, right? Until it hits this price that I set here. So I'll keep you guys updated if my orders get accepted. So a little update of the open order, right? Or the stop limit order that we open, right? Right now, Bitcoin price drop below, right? Below our resistance that we predicted, which is at 68,640, right? This is the line, the prediction line, and it actually drops below these supports and go towards the second supports right now, right? As you can see from the daily chart of the BTC. So the price will go ups and down. That's why you can always have a limit order below the current market price. So in that way, we can save out the fees and then we can, buy at a cheaper price, right? You'll never know, what's the price that we go down at. So if you look back at Luno app, if you open our orders history, you can see at the first line here, we open a stop limit order, right? Stop limit order. And then we have a trigger price of 322 hundreds and 505. And then it trigger this order right here at 322 hundreds, 2200,000 and 500 price, right? Malaysian ringgit of BTC, and I bought worth of 1,000 at that price. So this is how you do a stop limit order and with a 0.35% of fees. Back to you. So overall in this video, I show you guys how to buy crypto, for example, Bitcoin in Luno. So this is how you buy, and this is how you hold Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I believe you could rise up even higher. Right now, it's just at the start of the bull phase, right? It's not even starting yet, right? It's almost towards the starting of the bull phase, where I'll explain in another video about Bitcoin cycle. And if you like this video on this Luno Ultimate Guide, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.